The areas that we are going to cover in this course are running through the accounting process, understanding how the different aspect of the accountings are completed. So it's going to give you the overall bigger picture of the accounting exercise that's done on a regular basis by the businesses. Then we'll talk about the very basic but the most important concept of accounting equation. It's one of the key concepts to understand how the business prepare and presents its financial information and make sure that it's been correctly presented. So we'll take a deep dive into that. We'll also talk about the fundamentals of accounting. Part one will focus on the key basic concepts, which are the T accounts, the journal entries, the debits, and the credits. And then in part two, we'll take it forward. We'll talk about the accrual accounting, the cost recognition mechanism, and the matching principles that are quite key concept as well within the accounting. Any accountant who is preparing the books will always keep account of these different concepts to make sure he's complying with the relevant standards. We'll talk about the timing of the financial information, the cash flows, and how different aspect of the business activity are captured within the accounts, and why there could be something which actually is completed by the business but in accounts is still a work in progress. So we'll talk about that in detail. Then we'll touch on the general ledgers and the trial balance, and then work through our case study example, quite a detailed case study there. We'll also provide you with a workbook for that. So be assured that when we talk about the basics, you will have very good fundamental basics developed by the end of this course. So you'll be able to read through the financial statements, you'll be able to understand the nature of the activity and why it's done,